Bon, mes amis, bonjour. C'est mon deuxième podcast. This is my second podcast. And if you're here, it means you've survived the first one. So thank you very much for that. In our first lesson, we focused on Chui, I am, and a few words to say with that. And then suis pas, suis trop, etc. So, je suis pas fatigué, je suis trop fatigué. The topic of this second video is to give you more words because it's good to be able to say I am, but I am what? I'm tired, I'm depressed, I'm sad, I'm happy, I'm in love, I'm worried, etc. So you need words to put something after that. And today I want to go through to give you a list of 10 words. And really your target for today is to be able to learn and to be able to recognize and use these 10 adjectives. Let's start with the first one, tired. We've learned fatigué last time, okay, so you know je suis fatigué, right? But French people use when they speak, there's another word they use all the time, more often than fatigué, and they will say crevé. Crevé means tired, knackered. So you can simply say je suis crevé. Oh, je suis crevé aujourd'hui. Poof, I'm tired today, I'm knackered, I'm dead, I'm beaten. Okay, je suis crevé. If you want to insist again, oh, je suis trop crevé. Je suis trop crevé ce soir. I'm just too tired tonight. Okay, crevé. That's our first word. The second one is the opposite, is going to be en forme. En forme. Two words, en forme. Literally means in form. So it can mean two things. It can mean, so you're going to say je suis en forme. Okay, je suis en forme. And it can mean two things. It can mean I'm fit, I'm energetic, and as an overall thing, your health condition, you fit, je suis en forme. And also like I'm good today, je suis en forme. Okay, I'm full of energy, I'm well, I'm good for the day. Je suis en forme aujourd'hui. Okay, and if you're not too well, you could easily say je suis pas trop en forme. Je suis pas trop en forme aujourd'hui. Not too well today. Je suis pas trop en forme aujourd'hui. You know the word for week, which is semaine. Je suis pas trop en forme cette semaine. Cette semaine, this week. Je suis pas trop en forme cette semaine. Not too well this week. Okay. Number 3 is easy. It's a little present for you. Relax, relax, relaxed, relax. Okay. It's very easy. Sounds like the English. Je suis relax. Je suis très relax. Je suis trop relax. Je suis relax. And number 4 is also very easy, and it's the opposite. Stressé. Stressé. Je suis stressé. Je suis stressé ce matin. I'm stressed this morning. Matin. Think of matinee. Okay, matinee in English. Although matinee is, do you know what matinee is? Matinee is the word for a theater performance, which actually is in the afternoon. Although matinee means morning, so they stole the word but made the wrong use of it. Often happens. So matin or matinée, morning. So je suis stressé ce matin. Okay, I'm stressed this morning. Je suis stressé ce matin. The next one we want to learn is triste. Triste. For people who cannot pronounce the R very well, mostly thinking of my Asian students, but all the people struggle with the R. You can really roll the R of triste to make it sound more like triste. Okay, you will sound a bit like English or West African accent, depend if you drop the R completely or not. But it doesn't matter. People will understand you and they will like your accent. They will understand you, which is what matters. Triste, triste. Okay, sad. It means sad. Okay, so I'm sad. Je suis triste. I'm sad today. Je suis triste aujourd'hui. I had a student who was called Tristan a while ago, and it decided that it was sad Tristan, Tristan. Okay, so if you have a friend called Tristan, imagine he's sad. If you don't have a friend called Tristan, imagine you have a friend called Tristan and that he's sad. So Tristan, sad Tristan is going to be your way to remember this word, triste, je suis triste. And then if you're very sad, if you're très triste, you can even say, that's now number 6, je suis déprimé, I'm depressed. Déprimé, okay, I'm depressed. Oh, je suis déprimé, okay, je suis trop déprimé. So you really, if you're down, could actually also say je suis down, okay, je suis déprimé. Good. The last 4 words that we are learning, the last 4 adjectives, are a bit different because they have different form, whether we use the masculine, pardon. There is a different form whether we use the masculine or the feminine form. So it's going to be slightly different. However, it's not a big deal because people will always understand you, whether you use the masculine or the feminine. I will give you both. Try to use the one that's appropriate to your gender, but again, communication will work. So I will not mark you down if you use the wrong form. The first one is inquiet for the masculine or inquiète for the feminine. When I write it down, you see, I put the E in brackets in just to mean that it's optional, it's for the feminine form. So inquiet or inquiète, and it means worried. Literally, it comes from unquiet. Je suis inquiet. Or feminine form, je suis inquiète. I'm worried. Inquiet, inquiète. Je suis trop inquiet. Or je suis trop inquiète. The next one is heureux or heureuse. I put the spelling here, okay, heureux or heureuse, but we really don't pronounce the H, we don't pronounce the X, so really listen more to the pronunciation, heureux or heureuse. Okay, je suis heureux or je suis heureuse, okay, heureux or heureuse. And again, the negative form, you're going to say je suis pas heureux or je suis pas heureuse. Okay, I'm happy or okay, I'm not happy. Masculine or feminine form, je suis pas heureux or je suis pas heureuse. And the opposite of that, heureux, is malheureux. Mal, bad, malheureux or malheureuse, unhappy. Okay, so if you say je suis heureux, je suis pas heureux, it's the same as if you say je suis malheureux. Okay, donc malheureux or malheureuse. Again, look at the spelling here, but the spelling is not gonna help you much because we pronounce it in a different way. Again, we don't pronounce the H in French, nor the X at the end. And let's keep the best one for the end. Je suis amoureux. Okay, je suis amoureux. Any idea what that means? Je suis amoureux, or feminine, je suis amoureuse. Which is the best, it means simply, I'm in love. Je suis amoureux. Okay. Les amis, bonne journée. Thank you for listening. À bientôt.